Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitching with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday and I hope you're all having a great week. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's find out what is in this huge bag. It looks like cross stitch. Let me get it out of its bag. Oh my goodness gracious. All right. This bag comes from VIPCrossStitch. This is part 1 of my review for them. If they have any coupons or discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. I will be right back. All right. I had to sort that out. So today we're going to open 2 of these. The first one, they're all Joy Sunday, by the way. And this first one is 30 by 57, and it was $10.24. It does, let me put them, it does come in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. Had to put the scissors away before I dropped them on my foot. Yeah, I thought this was different. Just never seen this pattern before, so thought I'd get it. It's called Apples and Flowers, 14 count. But isn't that gorgeous? It's a partial. Looks like it's going to have half cross stitches around the background for kind of like shading. But just absolutely thought it was stunning. Just stunning. Gorgeous. Look at those big blossoms. The beautiful apples. They look kind of orangish red. I'm not sure how that's all going to go, color-wise, but we will see that here in a second. Now, it does have a 6-page or 6-part booklet here. It is 124 stitches wide by 270. Let's take a look and see. It's a partial. You won't have to do the whole background. It's going to have some back stitch, but very well illustrated. Just gorgeous. Your page number is right down here. Just absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at the colors. There are 2 sets of keys. The one on the left goes to the paper pattern. The one on the right goes to the canvas. So we have full stitch, half stitch, quarter stitch, and back stitch. Okay. And what colors do we have? There's no 310 black. Anything else I know? No 3371, 823, none of those. We're using B5200 for the white. And yeah, that's about all I know on that. So I haven't done a lot of quarter stitch. It's usually like around a corner, if you will, to round something up. So it'll be different. Just different. But it does have a total of 32 colors. And only 3 colors in back stitch, so that's nice. Lots of half cross stitch though. So I think it's probably here, there, and everywhere, and in the background. So we'll just have to take a look at that when it arises. Let's take a look at those stunning colors. Comes with 2 needles. Now this one, the last few I've opened did not have this this thread card, but as you can see, the red numbers mean how many strands. Then you have your DMC number, and then you have the thread card number. So let's start here. We have a kind of dark brown, $8.98, and a, I don't know, kind of a grayish blue. It's not a bright like baby blue, but it's kind of grayed down. Lots of greens. Sorry, everybody's sticking together. Did have 2 needles. So greens, browns, peaches, oranges, no bright red in this, so mostly on the orange side. So does that mean that they're like Honeycrisp apples? I don't know. Can't say. But beautiful, beautiful colors. Anyway, we have blues, browns, oranges. Complementary color to blue is orange. So they threw some blue in there to kind of help it along. So very nice. Now this material is not pure white. It's kind of just got a little, sorry, I'm trying to move the other one out of my way. Kind of got a tone down, but very nicely done. Back stitching will make this very large symbols on the canvas, so you can see the card number, what it is, and then the DMCs. But very well printed. It hasn't been wet. It's awesome. Does have the name of the project and how many squares per square, serging all the way around. It is 56.5 centimeters, or almost 22.25 inches by, almost a little tad over 12 inches, or 30.5 centimeters. The actual picture size is almost 9 inches, or 22.5 centimeters by 49 centimeters, or a little over 19.25 inches. So not too much here. There's some nice big areas, not seeing a whole ton of confetti, which is nice. I'm trying to roll this up just so it doesn't go everywhere. And then I will show you the canvas. Very nice. Just absolutely beautifully printed. And as you can see, there might be a tad bit of confetti, maybe in a flower, but that's basically it. You know, I mean, pretty straightforward stitching. Now, I don't know about all that quarter stitch stuff, so we'll address that when we get to it. How's that? So a very nice kit for $10.24. All right, the next one is 42 by 42, 14 count, and it was $10.43. Let's get it out of here. Well, if I can get it to come out of the bag. That puppy was in there. Lovely Joy Sunday bag. Let me flip it all over. Isn't that the cutest thing? I love that orange cat. That's what it's called. Orange cat. I love the blues and the oranges and the patterns on those pillows. Yeah, just gorgeous. It is a partial. A little bit of half cross stitch right around the bottom, maybe in that brickwork. Can't tell real up close. There's going to be some back stitching here, there, and a little bit. Nothing too terrible. It is mostly, this is his fur, or their fur, we'll say. And some to highlight the face, a little bit on the brickwork. Looks like pretty much straight line stitching. We do have two sets of numbers again. We have full stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. Total of 39 colors. We have no 310 black again. How weird. Just weird, weird, weird. Okay, any colors we know? No, 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 nope, nope. We do not have any browns. I mean, 3371. They're using B5200 for the white. So, yeah. That's kind of odd. Well, I was looking at this pattern, and you have a small B, and a small D. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to hold it as clear as possible. But, yeah. And then down here you have a D, and there's the B. So they look a lot alike. Yep, we'll have to see. But very well printed pattern. It is 190 by 190, so not too big. And 14 count. There are 6 different sections to this pattern. But yeah. So it'll be interesting. Just absolutely interesting. Let's take a look at those gorgeous colors. Does have the same kind of thread card the last one did. And we have 2 needles. Trying to get everybody situated. So you have tans and oranges. There's your B5200. Nothing terribly dark on this card. And then over here you have, trying, kind of a 2 gray looking blues. I mean, I swear, you get those together, you can barely see the difference there. Lots of shades of oranges. Kind of a darker, I want to say teal. Like a dark turquoise. More blue over here. More tans, yellows. Kind of an off-white. Yeah, just absolutely stunning. Oranges and blues combination. I just love that. And I love when they don't use a true blue. You know, with that orange. It's more on the teal to turquoise level. Yeah, very nice. Let's take a look at this nice canvas. If I can just figure out which way is up. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, you don't do any of that white that goes around the edge. And that's where some of your, right here on the bottom is where the half cross stitch is. So it's only half cross stitch, no quarter stitch, 3/4 stitch, nothing. Just half cross stitches. But yeah, just absolutely love this. Nice canvas, very easy to see symbols. I will hold it, get it out of the light there. Sometimes the light does more damage than good. It kind of fades everything out, but nice big key, easy to see symbols. So very nice. Hasn't been wet. It's awesome. Okay, 17 inches or a little bit over 43 centimeters. And this way it's a little bit over 42 centimeters or a little bit over 16.5 inches. Actual picture is 34 centimeters or a little over 13.25 inches by almost 13.75 inches or almost 35 centimeters. So very nice. 2 nice kits. Love them both. I have no idea which one we're going to start today. Not a clue. Not a clue. But I like them both. I do love this cat though. Nice big areas. Not a lot of confetti. Once again, back stitching will make this picture. But as you can see, it's tad bit of confetti run through here, a little over here, where there's a lot of details, but not too bad on the cat. You can just kind of run, you know, first one thing and then another, because they're rivers of color. Very nice, very nice. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch. I sure do appreciate both of these, and next Thursday will be part 2 of my review for VIPCrossStitch, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Now, VIP does have diamond painting cross stitch. Nope. They only have cross stitch and bead cross stitch, silk cross stitch, and embroidery is what I was going to say. So they always have a wide selection. I have ordered from them before personally, and they always have great customer service. They'll get right back to you, you know, within a time period, because they're on the other side of the world. That's all I can say. So you get that. But lots to choose from. Always great prices, so check them out. Thank you, everyone, for joining me today. I sure do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.